TVS Racing will not be participating at the 2021 Dakar Rally scheduled to start from the 3rd of January. The motorsport arm of TVS Motor Company has released an official statement confirming that they will not be participating as a factory team at the rally this year. However, the company has confirmed that they will sponsor their rider Harith, who will participate in the event as a privateer. Harith, along with the Sherco Rally Factory team riders Lorenzo Santolini and Rui Gonzalez, will continue to ride the Sherco TVS RTR 450 rally motorcycle. However, TVS Racing will not provide any technical support during the event. This is a major update since TVS Racing was the first Indian factory team to participate at the Dakar Rally. The TVS Racing factory team have been part of the Dakar Rally for 6 outings, participating every year between 2015 to 2020. The Dakar Rally 2021 would have been the team's 7th outing. All its 6 outings at the Dakar Rally have been with Sherco. However, with TVS not having revealed the exact reason for their exit, it does raise questions between the two's Sherco and TVS partnership. Apart from the 6 outings at Dakar, the Sherco-TVS partnership has also taken part in other international events as well. This includes the Rally of Morocco, Pan-African Rally, Baia Aragon and Marzouga Rally. Talking about the 2021 Dakar Rally itself, the event will be held between the 3rd to the 15th of January. Participants will start from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia and cover a total of over 7,500 kilometers and end in the same location. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.